Hi guys, welcome to Marketing with AI. I'm Phil, and today we're going to do a quick review on using Nichesss to actually create meta descriptions for blog posts. So jumping straight in, what we're going to do is we're going to use a start marketing plan, one of the options there. Then we're going to quickly go into the marketing plan, and you see some of the data is being pre-populated. That's just because I ran this through Nichesss before when I was actually using it for a quick demo. So what's the name of your business? Phil's Marketing, fictitious business. What does your business do? It gets sales leads fast. Select the category your business falls under. And for this one, we'll use services. Okay. And we want to choose a couple of things to be in this particular marketing plan. When I'm doing it, normally I choose 3, but we're going to use 4 just to show you another piece of software, which is free to use when we've actually used Nichesss. So what we'll do is we'll use the emails newsletter option. Then we'll go down to ads, and we'll use Google Ads with keywords. Then we'll go down to landing pages, headlines. Now, normally this is what I would do because I tend to work just in Nichesss. However, if you want to use the other solution that I'm talking about, which can kind of like help quite a bit, what we're going to do is we're going to go down to products and product descriptions, give us some more data. Okay, so name of the product, Phil's AI content writer. Let's keep it all nice and tight, eh? Simple description of the product. Best AI writer available. That's not selling it short, is it? What do you want to talk about? Using AI to drive sales. Keywords you want to target for Google: AI content writer, SEO, AI content generator. I always put commas in there. I think it might help the software to differentiate between the keywords you're trying to actually target. So let's go on to generate marketing copy. Okay, this takes about 60 seconds for Nichesss to do this. I'm a bit of an impatient guy, so I'm going to jump straight in now and let's see what we've got. So, Phil's Marketing. Okay, we'll quickly eyeball these results and move on. Okay, how can AI help drive your sales? In this one, you'd want to edit the hi, my name or name, because obviously it's generating content for emails. So if you're doing this in real life, edit the name options out. It's got a mention of AI. That's absolutely superb. I'm going to leave that in, but what I would do if I was doing it in real life, I'd click onto edit, and then I'd put something about artificial intelligence into that particular text there. How AI is revolutionizing marketing. Yeah, artificial intelligence, AI, that's good. We're trying to hammer the point home here about content and AI. So Google Ads, content creation services, content marketing, and search engine optimization for businesses and individuals. Now, these have got nothing about AI in there. So I'm just going to throw it in because obviously we need to be directing the software. When I first started using AI solutions, I thought they were a magic bullet and I was quickly disappointed. Then I realized they need guidance. Imagine these are very, very clever toddlers, but they still need guidance from us. So that's what we're going to do now. We'll call this one AI content creation, and we'll get with the services from there. AI content. So we'll call this one software. I think just to add a little bit of variety. Content marketing and search engine optimization for businesses and individuals. I suppose so. Okay, so we'll save that one, and we'll save that one, and then we'll close that down and we'll scan on down. Marketing group. We'll leave that there. Okay, and content I am a content generator for SEO, PPC, and SMM. Okay, so I think we'd change this one as well. It's got nothing. It's got AI content generator for SEO in the top title. I am a AI. We'll save that. Okay, and then we'll go down to landing pages. I use these for inspiration. Boost your sales by 10% in a month, and we'll go for using content marketing and AI. Could tidy that up a little bit. Okay, I'm not too worried about the typography and the upper and lower case, just for us moving through this as quickly as we can. How to get more sales leads fast, and we'll edit that one as well. So use AI-driven marketing to get more sales lead fast. Yeah, okay, we'll leave that one the way it is. I have to just tweak that a little bit. Okay, award-winning, this will be AI again. So let's go to AI and we'll say that. And then we'll go down to artificial intelligence. Okay, I'm going to leave these the way they are. Okay, because I want us to move on to the next part. So if you were going to just use this in a manual way and stay in niches, you'd use these then to quickly develop your meta descriptions for your blog post. Just pick and mix sentences. Remember, you've only got a small amount of space on your blog post to develop your meta descriptions. I think Moz recommends it's between 150 and 160 characters, so it's not a lot of data. Now, I'm hoping that we've got enough data now for us to move on to the next platform I'd like to show you, which is free. So, having said that, let's click onto here. To unlock this, we want to share this page, and we need a share link. So bear with me one tick. Okay, so we'll copy this particular link. We don't need to leave this published, by the way. We don't need to leave it open on the web if you're not comfortable with that. So just bear with me a sec while I actually copy this. And then let's go into the next piece of software we're going to be using. It's a website called Summary, and that's SMMRY. And all we need to do now is take the URL that we had, pop that in, and click on to summarize. And hopefully it's got enough data to work with. If you don't give it enough data, it'll come back and say it can't do anything for you. So let's see what we get. Okay, so my name, we've been in the marketing business 30 years. I don't like that one. So let's expand that a little bit. 3 sentences. Now that AI is quickly becoming a new tool for our marketing toolbox, we found that it's been able to help us reach new customers faster than ever before. So we can play around with this, guys, use for a little bit of inspiration. If you've got enough data from niches, hop over to Summary, play around with it. You can have your meta descriptions done and dusted in less than 5 minutes, I found. So I hope that's helpful. And if you've got any questions, give me a shout. And if not, have a great day and I'll speak to you later. Bye bye.